Socializing 76. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Throughout the Holy Quran and narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, Muslims have been advised to be merciful to others. For example, a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1924, advises that those who show mercy to the creation will be shown mercy by Allah, the Exalted. It is important to note that showing mercy is not only through one's actions, such as donating wealth to the poor. It in fact encompasses every aspect of one's life and interaction with others, such as one's words. This is why Allah, the Exalted, warns those who show mercy to others by donating charity that failing to show mercy through their speech, such as counting their favors done to others, only cancels their reward. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders of it or injury.
True mercy is shown in everything, one's facial expression, one's glance and the tone of their speech. This was the full mercy shown by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and is therefore how Muslims must act. In addition, showing mercy is so important that Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear in the Holy Quran that even though the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, possessed countless beautiful and noble characteristics, yet the one which attracted the hearts of people towards him and Islam was mercy. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 159.
So by mercy from Allah you were lenient with them. And if you had been rude in speech and harsh in heart, they would have disbanded from about you.
It clearly warns that without mercy, people would have fled from the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If this was the case in respect to him, even though he possessed countless other beautiful characteristics, how can Muslims, who do not possess such noble characteristics, expect to have a positive impact on others, such as their children, without showing true mercy? Simply put, Muslims should treat others how they wish to be treated by Allah, the Exalted, and others, which is undoubtedly with true and full mercy. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.